This project was unique because of the age of the hotel and just the high-profile work that's required to actually bring it back to restore it to its original state. It's very intricate work.
You match existing, you know, like you don't make it perfect because it won't look right. This building's really old, it's over 100 years old, so you've got to make it look, you know, like it's old. I mean, I've been working with historical buildings for a long time, you know. And if you start making something different, you're not doing anything right, because this is historical, and this has got to be here forever. That's my attitude, anyways.
It's hard to believe that they were able to do it back then, because it's so hard and so time-consuming to replicate it now. We were in awe.
I mean, the ceiling is by far the most incredible piece, you know, in the room.
It's the best part of the hotel, like the heart of the hotel, I would say, yeah.
I mean, I've looked at the ceiling now since we finished it, and you can't even tell that it's been repaired.
I want people to enjoy the space, and I want them to be taken back to an era that's, what, almost 110 years ago, to see Winnipeg, that the grandeur that it was and the grandeur that it still is.
When you stand back and you look at it, there's, you know, it feels really good to know that you got it, you know, you got it spot on, and we were able to recreate it, and yeah.
And I think plastering and the reconstruction is one of the nicest arts going, you know, because it's there forever. Like, this building will be here forever as far as I'm concerned.